What we have here for the auction today is a 1968 BMW R50. This bike was recently restored. Actually, in 2012, it was restored by a BMW dealer, Max BMW. And we have extensive receipts with extensive work that was done on this bike, including the motor. Thousands spent on it. Anyways, very original bike. It looks like it was gone over cosmetically as well as the motor, as I mentioned. This is an aftermarket seat, but it is damaged from the crash. This bike was wrecked. It was hit in the front and it went end over end. And I bought it from the owner, and he stopped riding, and for good reason. But he enjoyed it. He put 5,000 miles on the bike in the time he owned it in 3 years. So again, very original bike. I'm not an expert on BMWs, but I know a good, somewhat on it. This bike's gonna need, both rims are bent from the crash. Front fender, the flare, the headlights smashed. I took the tachometer out, and the fork gears are laying here to show you the front end. So everything's complete. The speedometer is in good shape, showing 26,000 miles. So I would say it's going to need a headlight, fork gears, front fender, rear fender. The tank could be fixed. But again, the beauty of this bike is it was restored. Motor was all done on it. Look, all brand new cables were put on it. So when it was redone, it was done nicely. This lever is bent, as well as the adjuster is broken right here. So a little bit of work on this bike. It was just being ridden in April. So I mean, it'll start up and run fine. I haven't started it. There's some wires that are loose in here that are disconnected, and I haven't started it. But this bike was running in April. So again, you see what you get is what you see. And the rear fender, as I mentioned, is going to need to be replaced. It's all smashed in this area. Shouldn't be a hard item. I think the pipes are aftermarket. Look like they were done during the restoration. This one's nice. This one over on this side is bent. So again, it would need a muffler. Bent right there. And I mean, you can make this bike rideable as it is. But there it is. It's a 1968, good title. It needs a rear wheel and tire as well. And you're buying it as is, wrecked. The title is clear. So good luck bidding.